Hi! I'm Memo, your memory, but with Meaty by Cognee patients. Nothing is ever forgotten. Let me show you how it works.
Hey everyone, let's take a look at MediMem. Every day, doctors make hundreds of decisions, but no one remembers every detail. That's where MediMem comes in, an intelligent memory assistant powered by Cognee Cloud, helping doctors recall what matters when they need it. Let's get started. Let's log in as Dr. Jyothi and explore how MediMem AI supports smarter, safer patient care. This is Dr. Jyothi's dashboard. First, let's configure the settings. I update my Cognee Cloud base URL and API key. This connects my knowledge graph. For the AI model, I'm using Grok and its API key. Then I enable any other settings I need. And saved. Everything's connected. Let's begin by creating a new patient, Arjun Nair. Before uploading any medical records, notice that Arjun's memory in Cognee Cloud is completely empty. Now, let's return to MediMem and upload a medical document. It could be a prescription, a lab report, or any clinical record. As soon as the upload begins, MediMem invokes Cognee Cloud's Remember.api to process and structure the information. Within seconds, a new session appears in Cognee Cloud, and the document is transformed into structured knowledge chunks, forming the foundation of a persistent medical memory for every future consultation. Let's explore the Memory Hub. It provides a complete overview of the patient's AI memory. Here is the mind map, where MediMem visualizes the patient's knowledge graph, automatically built from the uploaded medical records using Cognee Cloud's Remember.api. Instead of storing plain text, every diagnosis is transformed into structured, connected medical knowledge. The graph is available directly in Cognee Cloud, where we can explore it through the live mind map and memory schema. Every diagnosis, medication, allergy, and clinical observation is linked together, creating a rich knowledge graph. Finally, let's compare it with the original prescription. As you can see, the extracted knowledge accurately reflects the uploaded document. This connected graph becomes the foundation for Cognee Cloud's Recall.api, enabling MediMem to instantly retrieve relevant patient information and power intelligent clinical assistance. Now, let's interact with the AI doctor. Instead of searching through medical records, doctors can simply ask questions in natural language. I'll begin by asking for a summary of Arjun Nair's medical history, followed by his previous medication history. Behind the scenes, MediMem uses Cognee Cloud's Recall.api to retrieve patient information from the knowledge graph. The Improve.api then strengthens the graph, making future responses more accurate. Next, let's explore the timeline. Every consultation, diagnosis, medication, and clinical event is automatically organized in chronological order, giving doctors a clear view of the patient's medical journey. Finally, the pre-visit brief generates an AI-powered clinical summary before every appointment. It highlights the patient's conditions, active medications, potential risks, and suggested follow-ups, helping doctors quickly refresh their memory and make informed clinical decisions before the consultation begins. Finally, if a patient's data is no longer needed, MediMem invokes Cognee Cloud's Forget API to securely remove the patient's memory. The patient's knowledge is instantly deleted from both MediMem and Cognee Cloud, ensuring complete data removal. MediMem is designed to scale with real clinical workflows. Doctors can create as many patient profiles as needed, with each patient maintaining their own dedicated AI memory. Multiple medical documents, including prescriptions, lab reports, discharge summaries, and other clinical records, can be uploaded for every patient. Each upload is processed using Cognee Cloud's Remember functionality and seamlessly integrated into the patient's existing knowledge graph, continuously enriching their medical history. Every patient's memory remains isolated, persistent, and always available for future consultations. As new records are added, the knowledge graph evolves, enabling more accurate retrievals and better clinical insights over time. With Cognee Cloud at its core, MediMem ensures that every patient's story is remembered, so doctors can focus on delivering better care with confidence. because every patient deserves a memory that never fades.